What is going on, shrimp keepers? This is Rob with flipaquatics.com. Today I have something really special for you. It's not something we do often, but it is becoming more regular. We are getting in a huge import order. This is the largest import we have ever done to date. It's 14 boxes. It's over 35,000 shrimp with a retail value of over $100,000. So we're super excited. We're all really exhausted. We've been working extremely hard to make this possible. There's been tons of work that needed done, including this room that you see behind me. Just a lot of work. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. I hope you like the video. I hope you see something you like. And we're gonna be doing a lot more videos like this in the future. We're gonna be getting in a lot more rare stuff. I'm really excited to see the future of Flip Aquatics and see what we can bring to the United States for the shrimp hobby. So I'm so excited. Let's get into this. We're waiting on Marcus to get here. Hopefully he'll be here soon. So this unboxing is happening now. What is going on, shrimp keepers? It has been about 2 weeks, a little bit over, since the import order. And so I wanted to mention something. We just started pre-sales on flipaquatics.com. So if you guys are interested in ordering any shrimp in this video, feel free to take advantage of the discount code IMPORT15. That's going to be down below right here somewhere. And that will get you 15% off any shrimp. We are not shipping them for another 2 weeks. And so just check them out if you want to. No pressure. Enjoy the video, and thank you guys for watching.
Like 50.
Waiting for Marcus to get here.
He's pretty close. He ain't gonna be able to make that turn. You have to drive through grass.
There he comes. He's probably so happy to be back.
He is driving way too fast.
You tell him, babe.
Because he told Robert 4 minutes away and he's 1 minute late. Try to make that.
Make sure to tell him that.
He's 1 minute late. He's more like an hour and a half late. Wow.
It should have been back.
It's on Marcus time.
3 hours ago.
Do you know that this is here?
That's fine. There's my dad's company. Shout out to All Electric. All right, let's see. Let's see. There they are. What's that? What's in the middle of all those boxes?
Dive gear.
Seriously. Is this why you're late, Marcus?
No, I'm late because a massive storm, all kinds of, 2 traffic jams.
Tell me how you really feel.
It was horrid. That was the worst trip to Chicago I've ever had.
Alright, so we just got all the boxes carried in. Man is sitting on top of the pyramid. Let's just look at this. Biggest import ever. 14 boxes. How's it feel, babe?
Nauseous.
Nauseous.
Very nice.
This is so awesome. And I did make the comment that That was only one layer in the truck, T. So you know what that means.
We can fill up more.
We could do double the size. But that's a lot of shrimp, so. Jeff, you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Will you catch me?
I will catch you. All right, let's do this. Box number 1. Now this is all Caridina stuff. Amanda's gonna list off what we got. Bag 18. Black King Kongs.
Hey, I thought I was listening.
I'm just that good.
Black King Kong. What's that bag?
12.
12.
Golden Bees.
Yep.
Bag 7.
Crystal Blacks.
Crystal Blacks. Bag 6.
Crystal Reds.
Crystal Reds. Bag 11.
Golden Bee.
Golden Bee. Bag 9.
Crystal Black.
Bag 15.
Black King Kong.
Bag 8.
Crystal Black.
Bag 5.
Crystal Red.
10.
Crystal Black.
13.
Golden Bee.
16.
Black King Kong.
17.
Black King Kong.
14.
Golden Bee.
Bag 1. Ooh, lucky bag number 1.
Crystal Red.
Nice. 3.
Crystal Red.
2.
Crystal Red.
4.
Crystal Red.
That's it for box number 1.
13.
All right, box number 2. Whoa, that was nasty. All right. Bag number 24, maybe?
Greater than
King Kong.
greater than 4,
sounds good.
greater than 6.
Hit 26,
Red King Kong.
27.
Extreme Red King Kong.
Ooh. 31.
Blue Bolt.
Ooh, those are deep blue bolts. Or are those regular?
That's regular.
Holy smokes, those are nice.
Or these ones.
Those are nice for regular. 29?
Blue Bolt.
Dang. My man Dylan hooking us up.
Red King Kong looks like.
21?
Red King Kong.
28?
Blue Bolt.
Oh, these blue bolts do look really good.
32.
32?
Blue Bolt.
Okay, that looks more normal. 33?
Blue Bolt.
34?
Blue Bolt.
Which ones are the deep blue bolts?
I ain't telling you.
Okay. 36?
Blue Bolt.
I love me some blue bolts. 37.
Blue Bolt.
This is what I want to do my 400-gallon tank in. 25?
Red King Kong.
30? Yeah, blue bolt. Little ones. 35?
Blue Bolt.
Dude, I love blue bolts so much. Definitely my favorite shrimp. No, royal blues are, but 22. Red King Kong.
Red King Kong.
23.
Red King Kong.
And that's it for box number 2. All right, box number 3. Ooh, what are these big ones? Oh, those are probably cherries. No. Oh, babe, what bag is this? 202.
What?
202. Zebras. Bolty zebras. Look at them all. They're gorgeous. Already buried ones in the bag.
Number for me?
I don't know. It's still Baboltes. 200.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
More Baboltes. Oh, dude, they're gorgeous.
201.
Yep.
Ready to move on?
Yep. 47.
Black Pinto.
Oh, those are pretty. 48.
Black Pinto.
49.
Galaxy.
Ooh,
Black.
black galaxies. 45. Red Pinto.
Red Pinto.
44.
Red Fancy Tiger. Flower Tiger.
Oh, these are the nice ones. We'll have to get these on camera better. 46.
Mixed red.
42.
Red Fancy Tiger.
Oh, those are nice ones.
Normal. Quality.
41.
Blue Bull. Males.
Lost one. Maybe two. 40.
Deep Blue Bull.
Well, those don't look deep blue to me. Those other ones look a lot better. 43.
Red Fancy Tiger.
Those would be blue. Like really blue.
Yeah, these are really nice. 38.
Deep Blue.
Okay, that's much better.
Those two.
39.
Deep Blue. Oh wait, the other ones that you said didn't look, they were regular. My bad.
Oh, thank goodness. I was about to give Dylan some poopy. 19.
Well, I Black King Kong.
20. Black King Kong.
Black King Kong.
Alright. And that is all for box number 3. Box number 4. This box is going to be a big surprise. This smells like cherries. This box is all cherries. Cherries, cherries, and more cherries. That is all that's in box number 4. On to box number 5. All right. Jeff, what's in box number 5?
More cherries.
More cherries. Let's see how these ones do. Oh, these ones actually look really good. The water's not as cloudy. But you could see like all the eggs everywhere. Crazy. Nuts. All right. Box number 5, a whole bunch of cherries. All right, box number 6, Jeff. What we got in this one?
More cherries.
More cherries. Again, just tons and tons and tons of cherries. They'll be happy to get into their new homes. Cherries, cherries, cherries. Mark's over there putting cherries away right now. Lots and lots of cherries. So that's box number 6. Box number 7, Jeff.
More cherries.
Is this seriously all cherries?
Yep.
All cherries. Cherries, 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 cherries. That's a lot of cherries. This is by far the most cherries we've ever gotten.
I would say so.
So, a lot more cherries. Box number 7 down.
Got time for that?
Box number 8. Alright, so this one isn't just cherries, is it?
Nope.
Okay. So we do have something else in here, we just have to find it. Oh!
First bag.
First bag found it. We got some oranges. We should have a bunch of oranges in here.
Orange.
We see some more oranges.
These two.
Right.
That's cherries.
More cherries.
These four are all oranges.
Oranges. Oranges, I tell you, are one of my favorite colored shrimp. As far as Neo Caridina goes. Every time we bag these up, I always tell T,
Every shrimp's his favorite.
hey, you can't have secrets during import day. All right,
You can't get fired until after import day either.
that is true. You have to work. Oranges. Oranges and cherries. Box number 8. All right, box number 9. There's no cherries in this box.
None.
So we've passed the cherries.
There is red shrimp though.
There's red shrimp.
Yeah.
Oh. Bloody Marys. Looking bloody. Is that a good joke, Jeff?
No.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Any bag numbers? You just say.
No, we're just looking. We surpassed that. Ooh, fancy blues.
Lost my job.
I love
You're
fancy
fired,
blues.
but you're not allowed to leave.
Dude, you know one thing we didn't think of? We're
What?
putting these fancy blues in black ponds.
They'll be really blue.
They are going to be really blue. They will be really hard to see. So there's a bunch of bags of blues and a bunch of blacks. Bloody Marys.
Flags.
Blacks. Hey, I can't talk. What is it, 2 a.m.?
Not yet.
T, give us a time check.
144.
1:44. Let's get her done. All right. So we got a bunch of Bloody Marys, a bunch of fancy blues. That is box number 9. Whoa! Cut.
Self-conscious about it too.
We got to get this on camera now. Me and Tyler just did a chest bump, right, T? Awesome, manly chest bump. You know, enjoying our day together.
amongst friends.
And then Amanda says, "It was more like a belly bump." Thank you, Amanda. Box number 10. I got demoted to doing this by myself. You guys are busy doing that. I can handle it. All right. Box number 9. Babe, what we got in box number 9?
That's 8.
Yes, box number 10. You're right.
Bloody Mary and Black Rose.
Bloody Mary, but this is Black Rose. Which, if you didn't know, Bloody Marys and Black Rose stem from the same family tree. Shrimp fact. More Bloody Mary. Oh, I love Black Rose. I love all shrimp. Just unboxing makes me happy. Again, we're gonna look. Look at all these little eggs everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Some of it's poop, a lot of it's eggs. So we got lots of Bloody Marys, even more Black Rose. Look at these guys, gorgeous. You put them on these black ponds out here. These
You'll never
things,
find them.
you'll never find. They're gonna be really hard to see. I keep forgetting to say that was box number 10 because we're tired, it's late. But that's it for box number 10. Going on to box number 11. Jeez.
Robert does the dishes.
I do the dishes. All right, so we got box number 11. A bunch of Amano shrimp. One of the best algae eaters out there, Amano shrimp. We got a lot of these. We're just looking at them. Then we'll move the box over. Mark's ready to work. He's like, give me a bag.
3 bags. I want to
Give me
go
a bag.
home.
All right.
Cheers.
There he goes. Off into the unknown.
T. Quit blocking the
Hey
camera.
T, why don't you show the initiative like Mark does?
Alright. We'll see if I'll show up tomorrow.
Oh man, I thought that was pretty funny.
What'd you say, T?
That's hilarious.
I don't think it was a joke. I think it was serious.
He wouldn't know anyway.
No, I would. Whoa, what's that supposed to mean? Jeez.
There are cameras.
Show some initiative. Show up at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, Mark did show up at 1 o'clock.
1 a.m. to work.
Box number 11. I didn't even start recording yet.
Wow.
Box number 12. What's in box number 12?
More Amanos.
More Amanos. Let's see if T learned.
Oh, here, boss. Let me grab these for you.
Have a second.
Wow, I'll take 3.
Slap happy as we get. Oh, Jeff! Whoa!
You're taking too long.
All right, I got this. Don't worry, guys. Can't let these guys show me up.
Oh, gotcha.
And there goes box number 12. All right, box number 13. We got some different stuff in here, which is nice for a change. Let's see what we got. Carbon Rillies. Looking good. What we got in there?
Red rings.
Red Rillies. We have not had these guys in a super long time. So that's awesome. So red Rillies, carbon Rillies, got lots of them. Awesome. We'll get these guys in some tanks. Bunches and bunches and bunches. And that's what we got in box number 13.
Red.
Those are cool. Those are cool. You like those? You've never seen them before, right?
I don't think so. I don't think we have.
I sold them all to Chuck before you came.
Yeah.
Mark, how was your trip? Worst Chicago trip ever? I believe it.
Jeff, you want to write
Box number 13.
Got some auction shrimp in there? Or what? We're
Can I
talking to you.
help you?
You're on camera.
No, don't worry. We're just trying to shoot a video for the YouTube fish fam. Is that okay?
Shrimp fam.
I guess.
Shrimp fam. All right. Box number 14, the last. And debatably the best box.
Oh, they're nice size.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh, there's little cute ones in there. Bamboo shrimp. Bag of bamboo shrimp. Oh yeah, good call. Jeez, they packed these with a lot. Oh, we lost one.
You're good at playing dead though.
They are good. He could be trying to molt, but he looked pretty dead.
There's some pretty big ones in there.
He done.
He done, you said?
Yeah. Wow.
That's a big bag, dude.
There's some big ones
There's
in there.
some monsters. Holy smokes. They're gonna love their new home. Jeez, we got another bag?
Yep.
Babe, how many bamboo shrimp did we get?
We got
It's huge.
how many in total?
Yeah.
4 bags,
Greens.
18 per bag, for a total of 72.
Okay, well, cut a couple extra bags.
Greens, T.
Greens, I got those.
Those are greens?
They appear to be green.
Those
to
are
me.
green. They're green. Jeez. How many greens did we get total?
4 bags,
I guess these are,
How many per bag?
100.
He says. Oh, 100? Okay, that makes sense. Ooh, are these auction shrimp?
they look good too.
Do they? Oh, we can't see them. There's one. Look at that sexy shrimp. There's some type of black.
There's
Black
and red in
galaxy.
there.
Is there?
Yep.
If you give me the bag
Awesome.
number, I can tell you
51.
what they are. 51. Oh, no, thank you.
Galaxies. Nice try though.
Look, you tried, baby. We're proud of
No,
you.
but there are some other ones I can tell you.
55
54.
Aurora Blues.
If the number is 50, I can tell you. Or if it is
Okay.
55, I can tell you.
Ooh, Aurora Blues.
What number?
55?
Yeah.
I'm not blind.
What we got?
More auction shrimp.
53. I'm excited to get these in.
Red nanasi look like.
Really?
Looks similar to that.
Oh, I definitely red and nasty. Those are gorgeous ones. 3 stripes. Oh, last bag.
These are a lot younger.
Babe, 50. What do you got me?
50 Red Galaxy.
Nice. That's what we got. And that is it for boxes.
Get to work.
Get to work.